In this video, I'll show you how to connect Printify to Etsy. Start by signing into your Printify account. Next, click Manage My Stores in the left sidebar. After that, click Add New Store, then select Etsy from the list of available sales channels. Now click Connect to begin linking your Etsy shop. Next, sign into your Etsy account if prompted, then choose the Etsy shop you want to connect. After that, review the requested permissions and click Allow Access to authorize Printify to manage products and orders for your Etsy store. Now return to Printify and confirm that your Etsy shop appears in the Manage My Stores section. Next, click Catalog and choose the product you want to sell. After that, customize the product by uploading your design, selecting colors, sizes, and your preferred print provider. Now click Save Product, review the title, description, pricing, and shipping settings, then click Publish to send the product to your Etsy shop. Finally, open your Etsy shop manager to verify that the listing has been published and is ready for customers to purchase. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect Printify to Etsy. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.